Guys, what's up and welcome back. Today I'm partnering up with Splendies to let you guys know how amazing of a brand they are. They have beautifully designed underwears with amazing quality. This shopping experience is very easy and very exciting. I'll let you guys know why. So basically Splendies has sizes available from small to 4X. So you have a lot of option and variety in there. Members can select from the variety, basically no thongs, all thongs, or a surprise variety, which they will send 3 pair to your door every month for $16.99. And if you use my link, you're gonna get the first month 3 pair of underwears for free, and the following months are gonna be $16.99. It is recommended to size up, so I got a medium, and trust me when I say the quality is amazing. It is really amazing because it feels like butter on my skin. And I got 3 varieties. Basically, this is the number 1, which has the mesh on the back with the polka dot, like a dots. And the mesh is so breathable, so soft, and look, it's like, oh my god, I can like not even explain how amazing the quality is. And this is the cheeky style that I got, and I absolutely love the cheeky style. This is so comfortable and so soft. And the third one is this. I love the print, and the bow is super cute. Look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. Again, the quality, I mean, I cannot speak enough about the quality. It is just amazing. I'm absolutely in love with this brand. So if you guys want to try it, don't forget to use the link so you get your first 3 pair of underwear for free, and the following month, like I said, is gonna be $16.99. And fall in love with their amazing products just like me, and they are gonna be my staple to-go underwear brand now.